Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lentil soup with sausage. First, gather all your fresh ingredients and cooking tools. Next, prepare your vegetables and sausage for the pot. Then, you will combine everything and simmer until the lentils are perfectly tender. Finally, we will adjust the seasonings to ensure your soup is absolutely delicious and ready to enjoy. Let's get started with preparation. Begin by finely chopping 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Next, dice about 8 ounces of your preferred sausage into bite-sized pieces. Remember to thoroughly rinse 1 cup of brown or green lentils under cold water. Finally, measure out 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, setting it aside for later. Now let's cook. In a large pot, brown your diced sausage over medium heat, then remove it, leaving the drippings. Sauté the chopped onion, carrots, and celery in the same pot until they are softened, about 5 to 7 minutes. Return the sausage to the pot, then add the rinsed lentils, 4 cups of broth, and your favorite seasonings. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for approximately 30 minutes. Your delicious lentil soup is almost ready. Check the lentils to ensure they are tender to your liking. Stir in some fresh herbs, such as parsley or thyme, for a burst of flavor. Give it a taste and adjust the salt and pepper as needed to perfect the seasoning. Serve your hearty lentil soup hot, perhaps with a side of crusty bread for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.